Hey everybody, and welcome to my 2017 NYX Face Awards entry. So let's begin. I'm going to take a water activated face paint in orange and blend it all along my face, my neck, and my chest. I'm making myself look like I'm covered in baby food. Now I'm going to blend it down my neck and onto my chest, making myself look like Donald Trump. Scary, I know, but it will change it, don't worry. Now I'm taking a white water activated face paint and I'm blending it onto the high points of my face, such as under my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, my forehead, my chin, and on my neck. Making sure to blend that all out, making it seem seamless. Now I'm going to take an orange eyeshadow and contour my cheeks on a slightly fluffy brush. Making sure to blend that all out. Now I'm just going to contour my temples. I think it adds a little more dimension to the face. But if you're going to recreate this look, you can do whatever you want. Now I'm just going to blend it along the edges of my forehead, adding a little more depth to the base color. And along the jawline, of course, to sharpen that jaw. Down the bridge of the nose to make it seem a little slimmer. Now I'm going to take some black face paint and outline the design that I want for my eyes. I was going for a black swan type of look. I look like I have some weird funky eyebrows right now. I'm just going to bring that along the side of my nose and fan it out at towards like my ear. And I'm just going to replicate that on the other side of my face. Again, down the side of the nose, bringing it up along the eyebrow, and fanning it out at the top. Pencil mustaches. They're way better than regular mustaches. Now using the NYX retractable lip liner in red, I'm going to outline the edges of the black, just to add a little more finesse to the eye area. And then I went along with that same pencil along the fanned out area. Now taking the NYX 5-color eyeshadow palette with the gray tones, I'm going to outline the flames, and taking a black eyeshadow and black face paint, I'm going to basically draw lines along the chest area to resemble a dress made of ashes, as if like I'm rising from the ashes. Now I'm just going to take the NYX retractable eyeliner in gray and I'm going to outline my necklace, but you don't have to do this because I end up covering it with paint later on, but I guess it gave me a basic idea of what I wanted to paint. So that's always good. I just added some swirlies, some lines, a jewel in the middle. Make it look simple, yet elegant at the same time. Now taking NYX's Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick in Kitten Heels, I am filling in that jewel, and then I'm going in with a gold body paint, and I'm just filling in the base of the necklace. I outlined that in black body paint, and now I'm outlining the jewel again in black body paint and adding some dimension to it. And again, I am sketching out the design I wanted for the necklace for the second time before I go over it with a black face paint. Now with a fine artist brush, I am going over the lines with the black face paint, being very careful not to mess it up. And this is where my camera died. So during this time, I did my hair, painted it using my airbrush, popped in my contacts, added some lashes, and added some glitter onto the eyes. Now I just sketched out the design I wanted for my forehead with the same eyeliner pencil. Now I'm going in with a lip liner from NYX, and I'm going to fill in all these sketches that I made. There was no rhyme or reason for the forehead piece. I just thought it looked cool, and I thought it would bring out a little more finesse to the look, I guess. I colored my lips, and I'm adding glitter to my eyelashes to make them pop a little bit. Now going in with a black eyeshadow, I am creating more depth within the flames towards the bottom, and then fanning it out at the top with a little blending brush. This is where I had some contact issues. All of a sudden my contact decided to pop out of nowhere, so I had to stop and I had to go put it back in. Now I'm just taking some glitter adhesive and some black sparkly glitter and adding it to the ashes. Because who doesn't love glitter? I personally adore glitter. Now I'm taking a gray eyeshadow, I'm shading under the necklace, and now I'm going to take a white water activated face paint and I'm going to outline and highlight all the black lines that I created before. Everybody loves a good highlight. At least I do. Now taking that same white, I'm going to pop it onto the center of my bottom lip, and I'm going to blend that out a bit, and taking orange eyeshadow on a stippling sponge, I'm going to break up that color that I had on my face a little bit. And there you have it. That is my 2017 NYX Face Awards entry. I hope you all liked it. Shout out to my mom for helping me make the wings and helping me through all this. It's been really fun and an awesome experience. So I hope you all enjoyed. Bye!